How to find square root of 2809 by long division method? We need to make pair from right hand side to left hand side. This is your first pair, this is your second pair. Now work on this second pair. Take here a number whose square will be equal to 28 or nearest to 28, but not exceeding the 28. If you take here, look, 5, then 5 square equal to 25, which is nearest to 28. But if you take here 6 squared equal to 36, which is greater than 28. So our guessing number 5 is correct. 5, same digit will come here. 5 times 5, 25. Subtract, you are getting 3. Bring down the next pair. Same digit will come under the divisor, and you need to add 5 plus 5, 10. Now you have to take a digit and you need to multiply. Product should be equal to this or nearest to this. So let me show you. Times this. If you place here 3, then 3 times 3, and 3 times 103. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 0, 0. 3 times 1, 3. Which is, look, product is equal to this dividend, right? So our guessing number 3 is correct. 3 times 103, 309. Subtract 0. As our remainder is 0, we are done. Our answer is 53. To check the answer, same digit will come under the divisor. Since we have placed here 3, 3 will come here. Now add 3 plus 3, 6, 0, 1. 106. The double of 53 is 106. This confirms that our answer 53 is correct. So the square root of 2809 by long division method is 53.